In the aftermath of Hurricane Helene, Augusta University's cleanup is well underway. Since returning to class, students may have noticed less greenery on campus, but instruction has been able to continue thanks largely to Augusta University's facilities department. We had the chance to sit down with Paul Wood, AU's interim grounds foreman, to see how they did it and what's ahead.
I was here when the storm actually hit up at Somerville campus, kind of back and forth. We started actually cleaning up, I would say, about 9:30 that morning. I know personally, in a 2-week period, I had 159 man hours in. Most of my crew, on the average, about 119.
The facilities department worked tirelessly to get AU's student body back to class in just 2 weeks, but they didn't do it alone. Student volunteers and even outside crews all came to lend a hand.
Tremendous help. They come in with their own equipment. They came in with bobcats, chainsaws, and they started working immediately.
Now that some semblance of normalcy is starting to come back, the facilities department can look to the future.
We've got a lot of building damage. We got a lot of brickwork damaged up at Somerville. So it's going to be a long process. And I think everybody in town is trying to get their stuff fixed and taken care of first. So there's a little bit of a waiting period kind of going on, as you can imagine. We're going to get there. I guess that Jaguar pride, but we're going to get there.